because we go in lots of different countries and play to fans that are singing our lyrics back to us louder than, you know.
Yeah.
It really is an amazing feeling. It's cool. I never expected we would actually get here, you know, and
Now you guys are here.
cool.
Yeah. Yeah. So there were also rumors swirling around that you guys were about to break up. Is that true?
No, no.
Okay.
We went through a really hard time, you know, growing up on the road and being so young. You know, we're figuring out every day, even now, who we are, you know, what we want in our own lives and as a band. And so naturally through that, you know, we just kind of started, you know, kind of butting heads a lot, which every single band does, you know. And I think since we were so young, we got really emotional about it. But we never were at the point where we thought we were going to break up. But we definitely went through a hard time. But I think, you know, writing Brand New Eyes, you know, you can hear a lot of songs that he's written about our band. And I think through that record, it's been a very therapeutic process for us. There's been a lot of healing through that. You know, every band, you know, we still go through stuff every day because we're humans, we're not perfect. But we're just definitely no news of breakups or anything like that.
Right. So what is next for you guys after your latest single, The Only Exception? What's gonna happen with Paramore? You guys releasing a new album, another single?
We just plan on touring. There's a lot of places that we've never been before, and you know, even we're coming here playing one show, and realistically we can probably be playing a few different shows. So we're gonna try and tour as much as possible, and you know, we're never gonna stop using our creative freedom and maybe like recording something for fun. And who knows what we'll do? We have nothing planned out right now except for touring and really working that.
That's good news. And this time, you guys have a message for your fans because they have been voting and voting for your songs. It's been in the countdown for so long. So anything you want to say to them?
Yeah.
Philippines, Paramore, and we just wanted to let you know how much we love you and appreciate you guys and your support. And it's really been overwhelming online, voting for us, our songs over here, and we couldn't ask for better fans. And we're sorry it took us this long to get here, but we're here, and we definitely plan on coming back. So hope you enjoy tonight, and love you.
Well, there we go, guys. Jeremy, Taylor, and Zach Paramore. Woo, what up? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. You can tell that these guys are really down to earth because after the interview, they even took time to sign my T-shirt.
Cool. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
So see you guys later in the show.
Yeah, it's gonna be good, huh? You pull that? Yeah, it's better.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. That was awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Cool.
Have a good show, guys.
Awesome. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Tapos nagpa-picture pa kami. And they even took time also to do some station IDs for Mick.
Yeah, we do him, so I'll say more Paramore.
Okay.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm Zach.
I'm Taylor.
I'm Jeremy, and we're the band Paramore.
You're watching Mick. Your choice, your music.
And here's me, fresh from the Paramore experience, looking not so fresh. Hey guys, I just finished my interview with 3 of the members of Paramore, namely Zach, Jeremy, and Taylor. Wala si Hayley. It was a bit sad na wala siya. Pero okay lang kasi makikita ko naman siya later sa concert. And sobrang saya kasi even though kahit wala si Hayley, they were there, they were able to answer my questions nicely. Tapos medyo nakapag-usap kami. So, iba kasi talaga yung feel kapag nakakapag-usap ka with an international artist, diba? So, I was very happy, I was very thrilled at the same time, and hopefully, mas marami pang mga artists na pumunta dito para mahulit yung ganong klase na experience, diba? We will show you some of the highlights of Paramore's concert when we return.